You look tired, and I don't just mean physically. Your soul feels heavy. You're carrying worries in your heart that you haven't whispered to anyone. You're smiling through the day, but perhaps you're breaking down when you're alone. It's the blessed month of Ramadan. You're fasting, you're praying, but sometimes the pain is so deep you don't even have the words to ask Allah for help. You're just waiting for a way out. You're waiting for a miracle. What if I told you there are words so powerful that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, called them the best words ever spoken by any prophet? You see, when you stand before the King of Kings, sometimes you don't need to explain your needs. If you simply praise His greatness, His mercy takes care of the rest.
The greatest praise you can offer is this: لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير. There is no deity worthy of worship except Allah alone, who has no partner. To Him belongs all dominion, and to Him belongs all praise, and He has power over all things. Do you know what happens when you say this 100 times a day? It takes less than 10 minutes of your time, but the Prophet, peace be upon him, promised, you receive the reward of freeing 10 slaves. 100 good deeds are recorded for you. 100 sins are wiped away. And on that day, no one will come to Allah with a better deed than yours, except the one who did it more. Shaitan wants you to feel hopeless. He wants you to believe your problems are bigger than your Creator. But Allah is
على كل شيء قدير.
He is capable of all things. Don't let these nights of Ramadan pass you by. Start today. Recite it 100 times. Let your heart heal through His praise, and watch how He opens doors you thought were locked forever.